guys, so today I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge and I'm going to take you along with me. Before I start this video, vote up in the corner of what video you want to see next, and let's get into this video. So I'm going to show you what I'm working with. It's really bad. I'm kind of embarrassed to even show you guys. So this is what I'm working with. You can't see how bad it is right now because it's full of food. I basically need to take out all of my shelves, all of these little shelves and all of these shelves, the drawers, and just clean them all out. And this drawer, when I pull it out, yeah, can you guys see like something spilled underneath the drawer? I don't even know what that is, but we're gonna take everything out, clean it. I have things that are like dripping down the side. I mean, it's disgusting. It needs to be cleaned really good. So I'm gonna start with the door because that'll be the easiest. I'm just gonna do one shelf at a time. I'm gonna take everything out, put it on my counter, and then just take these out, wash them in the sink, dry them, put them back in, and then I'll just keep going right down the line. So I thought I would show you guys. Let's get cleaning. guys. So there it is. It's all clean. I cleaned off all the walls. The drawers weren't too bad, but just underneath and behind the drawers were really bad. You guys can see the bottom down there is clean. That took me the longest. Sorry about all the screaming, oh my gosh. I had to pour a bunch of vinegar down there and just let it sit for like 10 minutes, and then I went back in with my scraper and scraped it all off. Overall, I know this doesn't look like it to you guys, but overall it took me about an hour and a half because I just kept getting interrupted. I swear, the kids don't need me at all morning long, but as soon as I try to get something done or do something, they need my attention like every 5 minutes. So I'm finally done. I did come across a few things that I can throw away that are expired. I have some eggs that have gone bad, a cucumber that's went bad, just some random things. But yes, I'm happy that that is done. I'm not gonna bother with the fridge or the freezer right now because it's not really that dirty. It's just packed full of food and I don't feel like taking all the food out. So that'll be getting done another time. So the last thing I'm going to do is just wipe down the outside because there's some spots on the outside that just need to be wiped up. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and don't forget to vote for the next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye.